Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a report formula for the number of days between two dates in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to track metrics like how long opportunities stay open or how many days have passed between key milestones in your workflow. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the app launcher, which is that waffle icon you'll see in your Salesforce interface. Click on it and select reports from the options that appear. This will take you to your reports hub where you can view and manage all your existing reports. Once you're in the reports section, click on New Report. This button initiates the process of building a custom report from scratch, allowing you to pull in the exact data you need for your analysis. Next, you'll need to select a report type that contains your date fields. For example, if you're tracking opportunity data, select Opportunities as your report type. After selecting the appropriate report type, click Start Report to move forward with building your custom formula. Now that your report is open, look for the columns drop-down arrow near the top of your screen. Click on it to reveal additional options for customizing your report columns. This is where you'll add your custom calculation. From the drop-down menu, select Add Row Level Formula. This powerful feature lets you create custom calculations that run on each individual row of data in your report, which is exactly what we need for calculating the difference between two dates. You'll be prompted to type a column name for your new formula column. Enter something descriptive like days active or days between dates, whatever makes sense for your specific use case. Now comes the formula itself. In the formula editor that appears, search for and select the later date field first. For instance, if you're measuring how long until an opportunity closes, you'd select Close Date. Once you've found it, click the Insert button to add it to your formula. Next, type a sign directly into the formula editor. This operator will calculate the difference between your two dates. After the minus sign, search for and select the earlier date field, such as Created Date. Again, click the Insert button to add this field to your formula. This subtraction will give you the number of days between the two dates. Here's an important detail to watch for. If your earlier date field happens to be a date/time field rather than just a date field, you'll need to wrap it in the date value function. Simply type date value followed by an open parenthesis, then insert your date field and close with a closing parenthesis. For example, it would look like date value followed by open parenthesis, created date close parenthesis. This function converts the date/time value into a simple date value so the calculation works properly. Before finalizing, click Validate to check your formula syntax. Salesforce will verify that everything is written correctly and let you know if there are any errors that need fixing. This step saves you from potential issues down the line. Once validation passes successfully, click Apply to add your new formula column to the report. Your custom calculation is now part of your report structure and ready to display data. Finally, click Run to execute the report and view your results. You'll now see the number of days displayed as numerical values in your new formula column, giving you clear visibility into the time spans you're measuring. And there you have it, you've successfully created a date difference formula in your Salesforce report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.